What is going on, guys? Welcome to another Red Moto vlog. Today is a pretty exciting deal for the bike, or as far as bike parts go. But we will be installing a new exhaust on the 2018 Kawasaki Z900. So I was trying to figure out what exhaust I should get, but it kind of made it a little bit easier knowing that I got a M4 slip-on, carbon slip-on for free. So I decided to go with, obviously, the M4 exhaust headers. So it came in about maybe 4 or 5 days ago. So in here I haven't unpackaged it or anything like that. I'm gonna wait till I bring it down to the shop. And also on top of that, I am bringing it to a shop. I am not going to install it myself. I thought I'd give this shop a try. I've been with them, worked with them for oil changes and tire replacements and stuff like that when I could not get the job done. And this seems a little bit more technical. I mean, I know it's easy, but I decided to try to do this bike right. It's not like an experiment bike. I bought it brand new. I will be taking the exhaust system to the shop. They are also going to be doing the power commander install as well, so I decided to just bring them everything, the exhaust system and the power commander. Power commander has not arrived yet, so we're just going to install the exhaust system today and hear how it sounds. I cannot wait to hear the beauty of an exhaust sound that's going to come out of this.
Who admits that people have pet peeves about each other. It just goes without. I mean, come on.
Is it obvious it would be coming from you? Like if everyone wrote some down and we just read them, would it?
Yeah, let's do anonymous pet peeves.
So we are going to Motor Bike Works. It is a shop here in the DFW. I love their I guess you would say their entrepreneurial new type of way of doing things here in the motorcycle community. The Motor Bike Works started off, basically it's a family owned company, and it started off with the owner, the two mechanics, Garrison and Joel, I believe. And these two, man, these guys are awesome guys. When I got my R6, I wanted to flush out the brake fluid. I wanted to get it a new oil change, on it, so that I basically kind of know what's going on with my bike. It being a used bike and all, and bringing it all the way from Arizona, I didn't know what to expect. So I wanted to kind of start from scratch, and the R6 is definitely a little bit more complicated than my 650 that I had. And I wasn't comfortable with, pulling out the fairings and all of that. I didn't know the bike. I wanted to kind of see it, for myself, someone doing it at first before I started tinkering with the R6. Now, because the Z900 is a little bit newer, it's a little bit easier, it doesn't have fairings, oil changes and crap like that, easy crap that I can get done. I decided to give Motorbikes Works a try with hooking up my header system onto my bike, and on top of that, the fuel management Power Commander 5 that I have on order coming pretty soon. I mean, if it doesn't come today, I'm pretty sure it's going to come tomorrow. So I'm headed down to Motorbike Works. Those guys are waiting for me to drop off the exhaust system. I'm gonna drive back to my place, get on my bike, drive over there, and then we are going to do a little time lapse of them putting on the headers and all of that, and we should be able to hear how the M4 exhaust with the carbon slip-on is going to sound. I'm pretty excited, guys. I am really, really excited. People can actually hear me now when I'm on the road. Once I get on it, I'm hoping when I put the power commander in there, it is going to run so much better. Let's go ahead and fast forward to Motorbike Works.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? And be our thoughts, can't get away without no. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk?
Alright guys, so we are here at MBW. Look at the motorcycles just chilling. Oh, they got a little Polaris. Can I fit? Can I fit? Oh yeah, I can fit. There it is, man. That's MBW. That's their trailer that they bring around to do their services and everything when they're on the road. What is going on, guys? So I'm gonna do a quick before and after clip so I can put it on the Instagrams, but
That's gonna, once that gets hot, I guarantee you it's gonna start shooting flames out the back.
Yeah.